If you sleep on your back and you snore or have any other breathing problems, then this pillow might be for you. When you sleep on a pillow that is too high or too low, it forces your neck and your spine into unnatural positions, which can not only cause breathing problems such as snoring, sleep apnea, and difficulty breathing, but also pain in your neck, your head, your upper back, and your lower back. Now, a potential solution to this would be to get an ergonomic pillow like this one, which has a ramp here to support your neck and a concave to support your head. You can see how this pillow is keeping the neck and the head supported, which keeps the rest of the spine aligned. And that can help with some of the pain and breathing issues that you may have when you sleep on your back. It also comes with a case that you can easily take off for cleaning. This pillow is available right now in the TikTok shop, so if you're interested in checking it out, click the link right here.